Natural language processing. Teaching machines to understand us. Transcript. Hook. When you talk to Siri, Google, or ChatGPT, you're using natural language processing, or NLP. History. 1960s. Eliza, one of the first chatbots, mimicked a therapist. Early NLP relied on rules and dictionaries. Evolution. Shifted to statistical models, then deep learning. Today's NLP understands context, tone, and intent. Why now? Powers chatbots, translators, voice assistants. Businesses use NLP to analyze customer feedback and trends. Analogy. NLP is like teaching a child to read. At first clumsy, then fluent with practice. Future outlook. Real-time translation across languages and cultures. Conversational AI as natural as talking to a friend. Outro. NLP grew from simple pattern matching to full conversations. It's the bridge between humans and machines.